Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to play an HLS video using AV Foundation in native iOS application with UI kit, but if you want you can use SwiftUI as well. So let's get started. So here as you can see I have one button. If I click on it, it will start playing one video. So I have just paused the audio. So here you can see this is an HLS video which is playing. So yeah, that's it. Let's see how to do this. So it's pretty simple. Just import UI kit inside your view controller, then create an AV player view controller. Here I have created one button and I have attached one click listener to it. This is some NS layout stuff, and once the button is clicked, I am just creating an AV player. Pass the URL of whatever HLS streaming video you want to play. Then we just do player view controller dot player equal to player, and then just present self dot present player view controller animated row completion is null, and we want to play the video automatically. Just do player dot play. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.